Hey besties, let's make fruit salad today. Yeah, I don't feel like cooking today. I don't want to do something serious. I just want to eat fruit salad. I've been craving it for a while. So yeah, I got my watermelon and I also have cucumber. I also have groundnuts, groundnuts, fried one, and I also have this is pineapple, and I also have tiger nuts, plus I have coconuts. Yeah, I think that's all, plus my tin milk. Yeah, I have 3 crown tin milk, and I just want to make something so sweet out of all of this, and I just hope to get the best. I've never mixed fruit salad like this. I mean, all the ones I've been doing is normally watermelon, banana, and groundnut and cucumber and all, but here I want to try something different. I've never tried fruit salad with coconuts. No, this is my first time. I've never tried it still with tiger nuts. Yeah, this is still my first time, but I just trust that it's gonna come out well. So sit tight. So I'm making this actually for myself and for my mom. I honestly don't know why my voice is sounding this way, but I've just been lying down. I don't want to stress. I just making this video really made my day so hectic, and I had to do some editing before recording, so you guys should bear with me. Sit tight. If you're just watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. Yeah, I subscribe for more vlogs and family time, reaction videos and all of that. It's all fun here, trust me, you won't regret it. So guys, just sit there and enjoy. I think I'm gonna stop talking now. I love you guys. Bye. And yes, I am back again, guys. I'm done. Can you see how this looks? So I have to go now for good. Till next time. See you guys in my next post. I love you guys always.